Hello, welcome to your YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install the latest version of KODI to your Android TV. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this. Now, if you have an Android TV like mine, I want to install the latest version of KODI. Here's exactly what to do. I'm going to be showing you step by step. So I'm going to show you everything you need to do on your Android TV to install the latest version of KODI, especially if you don't have Play Store on your Android TV. Now, if you go through my Android TV, as you can see, I don't have Play Store. I have my inbuilt App Store. Here's it. But on my inbuilt App Store, KODI is not available. So KODI is not available for me on my inbuilt App Store. And that's why I have to go with other methods. And that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video step by step. Now, so if you're looking for the latest version of KODI, remember I'm paying emphasis on the latest version of KODI. So if you go at this application called Downloader, we are going to be using this application Downloader to get another application in which we can use to get the latest version of KODI. But first of all, how do you get downloaded to your Android TV, especially if you don't have Play Store on your Android TV? So I'm going to start with showing you that. Remember, this video is a step-by-step process. So how do you get downloaded to your Android TV? Now, if you don't have Play Store on your Android TV, here's what to do. But before, if you have Play Store, just simple. Go over to Play Store and search downloader and install. That's very good if you have Play Store. If you don't have Play Store, that's where it gets complicated. But just follow attentively what I'm about to show you. On your Android TV, there is going to be an inbuilt browser. An inbuilt browser is a browser application that comes with your Android TV. It could be this one, or it could be something else, or it could be something similar. Whatever the browser is still the same. Just go ahead and launch it. The process is still literally almost the same, or it's going to look familiar. So you go ahead and launch your inbuilt browser. Now in your inbuilt browser, in the search box, or you might customize it to use Google as your search engine. Once you've done that, just go ahead and type in a search box, type in downloader app. That's all you need to type, downloader app, and then you go ahead and search on your inbuilt browser. Now here's what is going to happen. The odds that the first option is going to lead to the web version of Play Store are very high. So the first result could be this one, or it could be in the second or the third option. So it depends where you are, your country, and also your Android TV. So if your first option is the one that's leading to the web version of Google Play, remember Google Play is a Google application and it has a web version. A web version is one they can access using the web browser. So if the first option is the web browser, then you're good to go. Just click on it once, and where it's going to lead you is going to be the web version of Play Store. Remember, you can use the web version of Play Store without necessarily having the Play Store application on your Android TV. So if this is your first time going there, it is going to ask you to log in with your Google address or your Google account. So all you have to do is just put in your Google email and also your password. Once that is done, you are good to go, and your web version of Play Store is going to be loaded on your Android TV. And you can not only install the download application, you can also install any other application found on Play Store just using the web version. So once you are here, if it's your first time, it is going to show the download or install button here. So once you install the application, once you're here, just click on install. After logging to your Google Play Store, you can go ahead and just install the application from here. And here is how to install downloader to your Android TV. Remember, downloader will need a downloader on an Android TV. So once you click install here, all you have to do is go back home. So once you return home, you are going to have downloader on your Android TV. Now we are going to be using downloader to install another application. Just go ahead and launch downloader. Now just for short, downloader is an application that works like a browser. We can install other apps, just type in little code. Like in this case, I'm going to type in a code to install the application that we need to get the latest version of KODI. And that code is a simple short code. I can type it just now. It's 10381. So here's the code. Once I type in this code, it's going to install an application that I need if I want to install the KODI application. So 10381 you type. So you type and you launch, and this is how downloader works. it's going to go straight away to installing this particular application. And the application is called the Unlinked app. So we need the Unlinked app to install the KODI. So here is it. It's going to start downloading right now. So it's downloading to Android TV. Just wait for it to download and then we can install. So once the application is downloaded, just click install and then the application is going to start installing to Android TV. Click install and then you can go ahead and install the application to Android TV. So wait for it to install and then we can continue. Okay, now the application is installed. You click done. So come over here and delete. Now once that's done, all you have to do is return home. So as you can see, the Unlink application has been installed. Then we go ahead and launch it. Remember, we need to use the Unlink application to install the latest version of KODI. So launch the Unlink application and here's how it's going to look like. It's also a very easy and useful application. You can use the application to install lots of apps to your Android TV. So once you see add new library, you go ahead and type in this library. So a library on Link is just like a Play Store or a categories of application that someone has put together that you can install or download to your Android TV. And this is an example. Now, there are many of them. I'm going to be using this one that I love using a lot, which is everything. Now, the code is called everything. So all you have to do is type in everything. So once you type in this, just go ahead and launch it. That's all, everything. Then launch it. This library is going to launch, and in this library you're going to see latest versions of many applications that you can download and install to your Android TV. But for today, we're interested in just the latest version of KODI. Now, before I go ahead, I will say that some of the applications in this library or some of the apps in this library might be limited to your Android TV or your country. So in first, I'm going to blur this so YouTube doesn't take my video down. And also, if you want to use this application without any limitations or boundaries, then try using a VPN. I've added two VPNs in the description of this video, so you can choose any of them so that you can use these applications without any limitations from your Android TV or your Android TV provider, and also your internet is going to be secured. So please use a VPN while accessing this. So once you're here, you scroll down to the bottom or a little bit down, and you're going to see this option for KODI, which is the KODI 21.2 Omega, which is the latest version. This version was updated a month ago, and this is it here. So you can just go over here, and this is the latest version of KODI. You can just click on it once. Once you click on it once, the download button is going to show up, and you can start downloading to your Android TV. Once it's downloaded, you go ahead and install. As you can see in the description, this is the KODI 21.2 Omega, which is the latest version. And also, every time KODI is updated, it's also going to be updated in this library. So you can come to this library at any time, and the KODI version that's going to be here is going to be the latest version of KODI. And this is how to install the KODI application, the latest KODI application to your Android TV. So just click download here. It's going to take a while to download. Then after downloading, you can go ahead and install it to your Android TV without any limitations. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.